Hi, welcome to Bloom. As of June 16, 2025, the CRA has moved to a digital-first model for business communications. That means GST notices, corporate tax assessments, payroll reminders, and more will all be delivered online only through your My Business Account. If you own or manage a corporation and you're not checking your CRA My Business Account regularly, or you don't even have access to the CRA My Business Account, you could miss critical tax notices, interest charges, or even penalties. Here's how to access and monitor your CRA My Business Account. First, Google My CRA Account. Sign in using your CRA login, or if you don't have that, you can sign in through a partner bank login. I myself prefer to use the partner bank login to verify my identity. If you are the same, then click on the Sign In with GC Partner. Once signed on, you should see both your personal account and your business CRA account. If you do not see your business account, then click Add Business and follow the prompts. And here's a tip. You can set up email notifications under notification preferences to get alerts when new mail arrives so you won't miss a letter. You can also add a trusted accountant as an authorized representative by clicking the Manage Authorized Representative link. If you're not checking this regularly, or worse, if you're not even signed up, you can miss something big. Here's what's at stake if you ignore this change. Missed payments reminders can lead to interest charges. Ignoring filing notices could result in late penalties. Unread compliance reviews might escalate to audits. Bottom line, if you run a business, CRA won't send paper mail anymore. It's on you to check online. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tax tips and updates. Thanks for watching.